Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. Start by opening Play Store on both devices, clicking on the search bar and typing in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. From this screen here, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Lenovo. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. After that, select Receive on Lenovo tablet and Send on Samsung. After that, you need to click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one photo, choose Send and click on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and click on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!